You for that live report. Feelings of disappointment after a judge dismissed a class action lawsuit filed by employees of the Holyoke Soldiers Home tied to the deadly COVID-19 outbreak that claimed the lives of dozens of veterans. These employees felt like the home had put them and other workers in danger during the pandemic. Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford joins us live with more. Paris.
Chris, I spoke with that employee who filed the lawsuit against the people in charge at Holyoke Soldiers Home at the beginning of the pandemic. But just yesterday, a judge ruled that his claims are insufficient. About 80 veterans were killed in a COVID-19 outbreak at the Holyoke Soldiers Home during the peak of the pandemic. And by the bedside of those dying men and women were employees of the home. One employee, Kwesi Alberdepi, recalls what he experienced during that time.
You've seen so many people die in front of you. You're putting them in the body bag. Okay, taking them into the refrigerator.
He tells Western Mass News he went through emotional stress during that time and saw things he can't unsee. He filed a lawsuit against 4 former employees of the home: former superintendent of the home, Bennett Walsh, former medical director, Dr. David Clinton, former chief nursing officer, Vanessa Lazier, and former assistant nursing manager, Celeste Herrera. However, on Monday, the federal judge in Springfield filed an opinion dismissing the case.
I'm really disappointed. Really disappointed. What were they thinking? What were they thinking? And what do they think would happen to the staff who are taking care of the veterans?
Alberdepi's attorney, Leonard Keston, reacts to the judge's order, which claims Alberdepi did not experience harm because he never got COVID-19, among other reasons.
He's suggesting that since they did not create COVID, they can't be liable. But we say they made it much worse. It's the same thing.
We spoke with a former employee who worked at the home during the outbreak.
We followed what they told us to do and unknowingly played a part in so many deaths.
She agrees with Alberdepi that what they saw and went through, no one should have to endure.
Everybody went through utter hell. And we don't deserve to just be tossed aside like nothing ever happened.
Attorney Keston says he does plan to appeal the judge's decision. He's also considering moving forward with those other employees' cases. Reporting live in Holyoke, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.
Paris, thank you.